Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook fish curry. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
This is 1 pound of Basa fish. I've cut part of them in small pieces and I've left 2 steaks as they came, and I marinated it in light soya sauce about 1/4 cup. Minimum time you have to keep is about 1 hour. I've kept it more than 1 hour. These are 2 medium potatoes. I've cut them into small pieces and put them in the microwave oven in water for about 7 minutes. And now they are ready to go in the curry. We'll use 1 onion in this curry and I'm going to cut it into small pieces now. Always keep this part and cut it through half. Now I have taken the skin off. I'll cut it into small pieces. This is the chopped onion ready to go. Now I will slice 3 cloves of garlic. Now this is ready to go. We'll start our curry by putting half a cup of oil on high heat. Oil seems to be hot now and I'll start with putting the onion. Keep on stirring the onion till the time it gets light brown. And when you start smelling the onion burning, you can see the onion is changing the color and I can smell the burning of the onion. And now I'll put sliced garlic, 3 cloves. We'll let the garlic roast for a minute or so. And then you'll get the roasting smell of the garlic. Now the garlic is roasting, and next we'll put tomato puree. 1 cup. Next we'll put coconut milk, 1 cup. One tablespoon of coriander paste. Keep cooking this for a minute or so. It's starting to bubble now and I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. Now we'll add our dry spices. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi, 4 pieces of kokum, Garcinia indica. Kokum is the Indian name and in English it's called Garcinia indica. I'll add a little bit of water. It's about a cup of water. And I'm going to reduce the temperature to low. I'll add potatoes now. Next I'll add the fish. Mix it well and cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now and I'm going to take the lid off. You can see fish and curry is all ready to go. The curry is now ready to eat, and we have prepared some rice from before, and I'm going to add curry to the rice. Let's put some of this sauces. And some of this thing goes on top. I left 2 steaks bone in for presentation purposes. If you want, you can cut all the steaks to small pieces to avoid any bones. Now I'll garnish it with coriander. This is our finished fish curry, ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave them for us below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And make sure you hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. Let's start with Mom. I'll have a bite myself. It's just beautiful, tasty, a little bit spicy, and easy to eat. Second bite for Mom. She seems to be happy. Mom has approved it. So you should try it too. For all you seafood lovers, try this curry at home.